As the winter winds litter London with lonely hearts, oh, the warmth in your eyes swept me into your arms. Was it love or fear of the cold that led us through the night? For every kiss, your beauty trumped my doubts, and my head told my heart, let love grow. But my heart told my head, this time no, this time no. We'll be seated with buried one day, my girl, and the time we were given will be left for all the world. The flesh that lived and loved will be eaten by the plague, so let the memories be good for those who stay. And my head told my heart, let love grow, but my heart told my head, this time no. Yes, my heart told my head, this time no, this time no. Oh, the shame that sent me off from the God that I once loved was the same that sent me into your arms. Oh, the pestilence is one when you're lost and I am gone, and no hope will overcome. But if your strikes me at your sleep, remember spring struck snow leaves. You'll be happy and wholesome again when the city clears and the sun ascends. Hey, and my head told my heart, let love grow, but my heart told my head, this time no. And my head told